So Cassandra's over here making breakfast. Well, for her it's breakfast, but it's actually like lunch because it's like 3:30 p.m. What are you making?
I am making ceviche.
Ceviche?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And what is that in the plate right there?
That is crab imitation.
Ew.
I knew you were gonna say that. Dad doesn't like seafood.
I don't like seafood. And what are you cooking? Or what are you chopping up?
This is cilantro.
Cilantro.
Oh no!
What?
Oh, I meant to buy a tomato, but I didn't.
Oh, you forgot to buy tomatoes? You can use tomato juice if that helps. Because I have pure tomato juice.
No, I'm gonna ask for a tomato.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ask her.
Okay.
Oh, that's so embarrassing.
That's so embarrassing. You're gonna ask her for a tomato? Just kidding. She did say we can ask for anything we want, but
yeah.
we tried to buy our own, like...
We tried to buy like everything.
Yeah.
Our own everything.
Yeah, we bought like, if you see on that table back there, that's all stuff that we bought for like oil, salt, chili, flour, just like everything we thought we might need. Because we didn't want to bug her with taking stuff from her. They're already being so nice to like let us stay here.
Yeah. They wouldn't care. But yeah, they're really nice. But yeah, we're gonna be using a lot of it during this month probably. So.
Your phone just went black. Did it die?
Oh.
It died?
Yeah.
Oh, your phone died. Sorry.
Oh yeah, so we just bought everything.
We just try to buy our own stuff, yeah.
Like oil. They have oil, but we're like, I'm gonna be cooking Zach something with oil every morning. Plus, if I want to make some fried potatoes, because we bought a whole 5 kilos of potatoes.
Look at all these potatoes we bought. We told her she could have some. We flipped the game on her. She tried to give us stuff, and we're trying to give her stuff.
And so, yeah. So we bought everything that we need, right?
Yeah.
Honey, we bought honey. What else did we buy? We're really stocked up.
Literally everything.
Yeah.
I mean, like, we're gonna be here for the next month, so we figured why not get, you know, tons of stuff, and then whatever we don't use, we just give them to them, and they'll use. So
there's a bunch of it's like.
It's a win-win.
Like some of it, like non-perishables.
Yeah.
Like flour.
Yeah. Flour, salt.
A big thing of salt that we found out. Salt we shouldn't have bought because they did have a whole salt thing for us here, but we didn't know.
Yeah.
So. Oh well.
The salt that we bought this also in Monteagudo.
Yeah.
And we literally used like hardly any. We hardly used any of it.
Yeah.
And so we left it there for the next Airbnb people. And so we just bought another one. It was only like 29 cents. So it's like, it's not that big of a deal.
Over there it was like 15 cents more expensive over there, no? Or 10 cents more expensive? Am I wrong?
No, I feel like in Monteagudo it was like 60 cents for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like double the price.
Wow.
Like basically now, every couple of days we'll go to the supermarket to get like one thing or something.
Yeah.
But we got pretty much everything we need to eat for the next month.
I'm gonna go get the tomatoes and then you can continue.
Okay. Go get those tomatoes.
Okay.
Wouldn't it be so cool if we could take that van and go sleep for a night or two on the beach? I think that would be so cool. And like I said earlier, I don't know how to drive stick, and that's obviously a manual transmission, so I need to learn how to drive stick, obviously, in order for us to take that. The main car though, like that's the second vehicle. The main car is that one over there. And so that's the vehicle that I'll learn how to drive stick in. And then once I get it down, we'll take the van and go to some beach and like sleep right on the beach.
There was only cherry tomatoes.
Does that work?
Yeah, it works.
It's a lot of ceviche. You're gonna make all that?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat it all right now, or is it for later too?
Maybe probably for later.
I mean, it's okay if you eat it. It just, for me, it seems like a lot, but I don't know.
Usually I'll eat it over like the course of like 4 days or something.
Okay. It's
but I'll make a lot more.
It's just easier to make like one big batch of it.
Yeah, I was gonna make more too, but...
You should. And then you can just save it.
But now that I don't have my own tomatoes also, like... We'll just go buy a tomato one of these days, and then I'll make a bigger batch. Like, I mean, it's all gonna stay well because I can freeze it too. I can freeze the crab.
Yeah.
Imitation, and I can make it like next week or something too, you know.
Yeah.
But I like when it's like I just can go to the fridge and like pick it out and like.
Yeah, for sure.
And then I bought salted crackers for some other dish that I'm gonna make for Zach and me, maybe for dinner. But I also bought it with this in mind because I like to eat this with like, you can eat it with tostadas, but I like to eat it with salted crackers. In Ecuador, you eat it with popcorn. Like you could have like shrimp, would be so good.
Oh yeah, you didn't get any shrimp?
No, I didn't get any shrimp. I should have gotten shrimp. I didn't think about it until I was in the car, but
When I think of ceviche, I think of shrimp.
yeah, I think of crab and shrimp and octopus. But least octopus is at least important for me. But what was I saying?
If it's not obvious by now, she is the chef in the relationship. Obviously, I don't know. I can't cook. I eat out because, yeah, I don't know how to cook. But she loves to cook.
I love to cook.
And she's very good at it.
Thank you. What else were you saying? What else were you talking about?
Just when you were gone.
Yeah.
Just how cool it would be to take the van out and sleep on a beach or something.
Yeah.
Like, I've never done anything like that. It'd be so cool to like back up where the beach is behind you and you wake up and you open the doors. You know, you always see those videos.
Yeah.
I want to do that. That sounds so cool.
Me too.
But I have to learn how to drive stick first.
I know.
Like, and I know driving stick is easy. I'm just like kind of nervous just because it's like a new thing in my life. And it's pretty sad though. But it's good though because I think we mentioned at one point that she likes to, or she has been messaging people on,
Yeah.
what's that place called?
On the
Trusted House Sitters.
App.
Yeah, and so like a lot of times they
Want
have
people to drive.
yeah, like they'll have chores for you to do and they'll give you a car, but obviously in Europe everything is, well, probably not just Europe, probably everywhere besides like
The
America.
US
Yeah.
is mostly that.
Yeah, and so it's all manual transmission.
But
and so there was one place I believe
we need
in
someone
Spain.
with a Tesla.
There was one place I believe in Spain that wanted us to do chores for them, but it was manual transmission, so we ended up not doing it. But if I learn here, that would be super cool because then we can add that to our resume per se.
I called my aunt yesterday and she has told me about how to drive stick, but obviously I don't know because talk is not the same as trying or being shown. I've only been shown with her like once, so it didn't stick, you know? I didn't stick. Yeah, so I don't know how to. But she was like surprised that Zach didn't know how to. And she was basically acting like that was a deal breaker for a guy.
Yeah, she's like, I'm gonna pay and get you on the first flight home because you should not be with a guy that does not know how to drive stick.
Yeah. And then she like bashed me for not knowing. But she didn't act like it was as horrible.
But hopefully by tomorrow I know how to drive stick and we can take the car places because I don't know what I've talked about, but Ellie works from home and so she said we can use the car whenever we want. And obviously it would be really cool because we're kind of in the middle of nowhere on the island. And it would be really helpful to have the car. We could drive to all the beaches and maybe even hike on the mountains or whatever, you know?
I'm gonna put some ketchup in it.
Okay, let me open this for her really quick.
Okay. And then I like to put some ketchup in it, not that much.
You just put a ton?
It was supposed to be like a little squirt of ketchup, but that's okay. I love ketchup anyways, so it's okay.
She does. She's a fiend.
I am.
And what is that? Salt and some chili?
Salt, pepper, and chili. It's what I used on Zach's
Bloody Mary?
Bloody Mary earlier, but now that I don't want to like deal with this, I was like, I should just...
Oh, it was the same mixture?
It's exactly the same one, because I was like, some chili can't hurt.
Yeah, that sounds really good actually.
It sounds really good. And I need more chili.
More chili?
I need, the one that, the Tabasco imitation.
This stuff?
Yes.
There you go.
Okay. Thank you.
Wow, look at that ceviche.
Yeah.
It looks good, but I know that I personally would not like it.
You might like it because
no.
it doesn't taste, it's just imitation, it doesn't taste so seafoody. And since it has so much lime and lemon, you're probably not even gonna like taste the. Do you know what I mean?
I'm okay. Thank you
should
so
try
much.
it.
Thank
You
you.
should try it for
Thank
your
you.
viewers.
Thank you. All right, I'll try one bite.
Okay.
I'll try one bite.
Okay.
What's you're gonna put crackers in it too?
No, you're just gonna pick it up with the cracker.
Oh, okay. So it's all done?
Yeah, it's all done.
All right, try it. Let's see how it is.
Oh, me?
It's good? Does it need more lemon?
Yeah. And it needs more chili. Do a simple ceviche recipe for you guys if you needed one.
What's all the ingredients?
Salt, pepper, chili. If you want chili flakes, tomato, lime, lemon, onion, and cilantro if I didn't say cilantro, and then some ketchup if you want like a little bit of ketchup.
Oh yeah, you put ketchup in it. Gross.
A little bit.
But I'll still
and
try
then
it.
you eat it with for the dogs. With crackers or ketchup.
Huh?
With crackers or ketchup. You
What?
eat it.
I'll eat it with the cracker.
I mean with crackers or ketchup. With crackers or tostadas.
Whatever.
You don't have tostadas.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Gross crap. Ew. Ah.
You don't dislike it, do you? It doesn't even taste like seafood because it has so much stuff.
A little bit.
A little bit.
It's not as bad as I thought, but I don't want any more. Thank you though.
Wow.
It's good though. I can see why people would like it.
That's it.
That's it?
That is it.
All right. Enjoy your ceviche.
And then we will be back for piña coladas with Kassandra.
You gonna make pina coladas?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, look at all this rain. I'm gonna give you one tiny little tour right now. I'm gonna show you the pool that we need to work on at some point on this journey. So this is the pool that we're gonna work on. We're gonna have to drain it and then paint the inside of it, I guess, from what I understand. And then we're gonna fill it back up and it's gonna be good to go. And we can start swimming here, which is so cool. And then there's like a little lounge area up here. I love it. And then this is our room. This is the bathroom, look at this. It's so nice. I'm gonna use the bathroom, so we'll talk later.